Hello lovelies, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful wide elastic headband. If this sounds like what you love, kindly watch to the end, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I made use of this wide elastic, which is about 20 inches long. As you can see, I joined two elastic pieces together. So this is 20 inches long and 2 inches wide. So if your head circumference is about 24, 23, 25 inches, then that works very fine. And for the fabric, it's about 48 inches long. You could make it shorter or longer. And for the width, is about 5 inches wide. So the longer the piece of fabric, the more the ruffles you will get. Okay. So now we are just going to fold the piece of fabric to the wrong side this way and stitch at half an inch. Just so you know, you can as well make use of your hand needle and thread to achieve this. Okay, so when I was done stitching at half an inch, this is what it looks like, and I'll be flipping it to the right side, just as you can see me do. Then after flipping to the right side, this is what you have, and you don't need to iron it. So the next thing is just to pass the elastic through, and you can achieve this by making use of your safety pin. Just pin it on one end like that, or if you have any other way you can pass the elastic through, then it's fine, but this pattern works very well for me. Make sure you spread it because you will not like it to fold, so make sure it is well spread and you just keep passing it through. Mind you, be careful not to allow the other end to go in. So at some point I will just be pinning this end down so that it doesn't go inside. So after pinning it like this, I will continue to pass the elastic through till it comes out of the other end. Hope you understand. It's now time to stitch the two ends of the elastic. But before you do that, you need to arrange it very well in such a way that the seam will be at the middle. Okay, the seam will be at the middle, and that will be like the part that will be hidden when you put it on. So this is me just adjusting it in such a way that the seam will be at the middle. After achieving that, I placed the two ends of the elastic this way, and I'll be using the zigzag stitch to stitch the two ends down. So this is what it should look like. It's now time to cover it up. So you use one end of the fabric to cover the other end, and that will be it. So after covering it, you go to the sewing machine to also stitch down. This is the easiest method of making a wide elastic ruffle headband. So I'll be stitching it now, and that will be all for this headband. This headband will fit an adult or maybe a teenager. This could also serve as a source of income. You can just make different colors and and sell them. Very easy to make. You can actually make like 10 within maybe 2 hours or less than. So this was very easy to make. If you have watched this video to this point, kindly let me know what you think about this tutorial. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do. Do not also forget to like, comment and share this video. See you all in my next tutorial. Bye.